Hello and welcome to Burlap and Jute Craft Creations. Today we are going to explore amazing ways to recycle useless jars and bottles, turning them into beautiful eco-friendly crafts. These ideas are not only fun, just but also a messenger of sustainability, reminder us that even small steps can help save our planet. Instead of throwing away old jars and bottles, let's recycle, recreate, and give them a second life. Let's start with some quick and easy craft ideas you can finish in 20 minutes or less. Take an empty glass bottle, wrap it with burlap and jute rope, and add a few artificial and real flowers. Instantly, you have got a rustic vase for your table. Clean an old jar, add some fairy lights or tea light candle inside, and decorate the outside with leaves, jute, and paint perfect for cozy evening or festive nights. Turn a useless jar into a messenger jar. Write small notes or positivity reminder or prayers, fold them, and keep them inside the jar. It becomes not only a decoration piece but also a source of daily motivation. Glass jars are also perfect for holding spices, pulses, and dry fruits. Just paint the lids with acrylic paint or cover them with fabric and label them neatly. Simple, useless, simple, useful, and eco-friendly. Now let's explore with detailed craft and take a little more time but look amazing. Idea 5. Burlap and bottle lamp. Take a large glass bottle, insert fairy lights inside and cover the outside with a layer of burlap, leaving small cut out shapes like a star or heart. Recycling is not just a craft, it's a lifestyle. It teaches us to respect resources, reduce waste, and make something beautiful with our own hands. So, this festive season, you can grow your business with it. So, you see, old jars and bottles don't need to end up in the dustbin. With a little creativity, they become vases, organizer, lamps, terrariums, or even messengers of love and positivity. Recycling is not just a craft, it's a lifestyle. It teaches to respect resources, reduce waste, respect our earth, save earth from pollution, and make something beautiful with our own hands. So, hope you like the designs, ideas. So, next idea number 6 is recycle useless jars into mini gardens. Fill them with small pebbles, soil, or tiny plants. These creates a fresh green look for your home while keeping jars out of the trash. Paint bottles with golden or silver spray paint. Add glitter and tie a ribbon around the neck. These can be used as table centerpiece for Xmas Eid or wedding decor. Take a glass bottle, paint it or wrap it with macrame thread, burlap inside or outside. Put rolled paper message, quartz positive, reminder or wishes. This can be gifted to friends or family as your loved ones as a thoughtful handmade present. So you see old jars and bottles don't need to throw away and end up in the dustbin. With a little creativity in your mind, whatever you have in your idea, they become vases, organizer, lamps, many things. What do you want to make? So if you like that ideas and designs, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. If you want to watch more design like this, so stay tuned with us. Leave your comment in the comment section and leave your comment in the comment section and tell us what do you want to watch. Have a very nice and beautiful day. Take care of yourself and your family members. Stay blessed. God bless you all. Shining, keep smiling like a star. Hope you all are fine and good. Fill your life with happiness.